I think competence-based education means we combine both amasomo academic theory ne talent yobwate. Not necessarily that's a completely different thing in technical colleges and TVETs. You start from grade 6, 7, 8, na previously from grade 4, 5 and all that. Buno mwana kunya wasomali klasi nkororole nga yale talented towards. Buno mwana wakonya mwana obwate interest mono as music. Yeah. So you guide and you help that child to konyora yani kugrow a talent yeli kakendete kusoma. So that by the time I go to school isi kutoka nga interest ya awere mono cha say music aba allowed kugendera ini ya music. That is why kerokuru grade 9 okwenda grade 10 we have 3 pathways.
Yeah.
We have STEM, which is science based. We have social sciences, they will go that line, and we have arts and sports, which is the 3rd pathway.
Yes.
So that by the time mwana kurubono abago chora chi school grade 9, abago chora towards interest other than the education. Remember 844, there was nothing like that computer based.
Oh, yes.
844 was you read, you do wasoma, wakorirwa matem. Esi kutoka ngali tukuli kuchokora matem. You had a stomach ache. Kwa ruwalet. Woko mangana aya kodret. Aherere gabu. Lakini competence based. Even if you so grade 8, grade 7, 8 and 9, ebi buata 40%.
Okay.
So by the time you go assessment you get grade 10, you have already 40%. You've been assessed 40%. Grade 10 in November, you got 60%. Meaning that you must have 7, 8, and 9, tell West. Lakini before, in other 844, whatever you did in class, so competence based is wider and takes into account many other things. So that they just one line, na karawa akoleta assessment banyoledera 844 ni bwate disadvantages to abantu bali bwate certain talents. So karawa to move to these pathways. That is why in this October to build 1,600 labs. 1,600 labs to ensure abana bako and STEM school bako genda nebwate chi lab chisaine barabosoma science. So we are providing the facilities. That's why we are doing academies, these sports academies, chibwate stadiums, so that abantu tokora sports but to come about the facilities. That is why if you listen to our speech and request in Sagana on Saturday when we were there with the president, we asked that because one to answer a pathway ya arts, creative arts and sports, to be allowed to kuagacha a National Academy of Arts and Music. So that you talk about Kora, but maybe a university, a major in music or something, and the academy, they are able to continue ensuring a talent are commercialized. So these pathways have widened. They have widened the chances, the opportunities of our children instead of limiting them to one side. That's what competency-based is about.